Hi folks. So I wanted to make a second video with this second HD111 installed and give my thoughts, and I could not be happier with the way it's turned out. It's really nice, and like I said, I've worn pieces since 1995. It's always been custom pieces. This is the first stock piece that I've ever had, and I always thought, well, I don't know if it'll meet my needs. Well, I won't ever go back to anything else. This is what I'm going with. It's just really natural. It's really great. And you know, when I first started in the 95 mid 90s, you didn't have the internet and videos to educate yourself on how to do all this stuff. But now, if you're thinking about wearing a hairpiece and just giving it a try, I mean, you can't for the price go do better than this. I would strongly encourage you to give it a shot, get one, watch some videos on how to maintain, how to cut it in, and just see what you think, because I think you'll be really surprised at how good it looks for the price. And like I said, I've always gone with custom pieces. I will not do that anymore. I will be doing a stock piece. This meets my needs, exactly what I need, and couldn't be happier, and would encourage everyone to give it a shot, and want to thank Superhairpieces because it's exactly what I've been looking for, and just really appreciate it. Thank you so much.